Providing ELLs with hands-on classroom experiences can accelerate language development, as it helps them connect abstract linguistic concepts with concrete experiences. It increases comprehensible input, improves vocabulary development, and provides non-speakers with alternative ways to demonstrate understanding. Hands-on materials can also be an excellent content for peer-to-peer interaction input. The purpose of this clip is to give a few examples of some materials and techniques that can be implemented to provide hands-on activities for ELLs. Notice as the teacher works with her group, she has her students practice the material with writing activities, flashcards, and has the students read out loud to each other to demonstrate what they have learned.
Ready? The letter. Ready, Hannah? T. Uppercase and lowercase. T as in turtle. Turtle. Brian, let me see. Uppercase and lowercase. Okay, ready? Erase it. Erase. Ready? The letter. Ready? O. Uppercase and lowercase. O. Octopus. Octopus. Very good. Okay, erase. Look at it again. G. Who's that? Your mom. G. Give me the name. Q. Q. Jaguar. Ready? Here we go. Finger. Here we go. Ready? Cookie. Use your finger. Cookie. Use your finger. Uh-oh. How many eggs? How many eggs? 7. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I see 5? 6, 7. You're right. I'm looking at it backwards. You're right. You are correct. Okay, here we go. 7. 7. 7. Here we go. Ready? Use your finger. Zoe, ready? Finger. Ready? Here we go. You can get the bowl. Here we go. Next one. I'm on page 4 at the bottom. Ready? You